Hello everyone, welcome to session 7 of ISTQB CTFL course. In this session, I am going to explain why software testing is required. If I have to give a straightforward answer for this question, I will answer like this. Software testing is required to prevent software from failure in operation. That means when we use the software should not fail. That's why software testing is required, guys. Now let me explain this thing in a detailed manner. Nowadays, guys, software is everywhere. Either it can be business applications or it can be customer products. Okay, the day-to-day used customer products. Everywhere the software is there, guys. Let me give some examples of the software which we generally come across in the business applications. For example, guys, you went to a supermarket and you did some shopping, and finally you came to the billing section. Okay, there will be a person standing before the billing section to generate the bill. That person is going to use the software, okay, to generate bill in the supermarkets. Okay, software is required. Now another example, let me give for this business applications. Let's say you want to travel somewhere via flight. You want to book the tickets. For booking tickets, okay, for booking tickets, software is required because you can either book online or you can go to the airport and go to the section or counter where the people can assist you in booking the tickets. Everywhere the software is required, guys. For all these things, software is required, right? Now, coming to the customer products, what are the different examples of the software in case of customer products? The number one is like washing machines. Okay, one example is like washing machines, guys. You see, these days the washing machines are coming with a lot of digital options, right? So the software is installed in the washing machines. So without softwares, washing machine, you cannot select options on the washing machine. And coming to the other example, mobile phones. Okay, all the mobile phones that we carry these days have the software. So software is everywhere, guys. So again, coming to the same question, why software testing is required? If we don't perform the software testing, this these applications or this software may fail during use, guys. Okay, when you use the software should solve your purpose, guys. Okay, software has to work and it has to solve your purpose. That's the intention of the software. If you don't perform software testing before releasing this particular software into the market, what happens, guys? There will be chances that this software may not work. Okay, may fail during the use. Okay, when you use the software may fail. That's the main intention, guys, why we perform software testing. So we perform the software testing so rigorously that we keep on assessing the quality, we find defects, we report these defects to the developers, we get these defects fixed by the developers, and then once the application is stable, then we approve the quality of the software. And finally the company who want to release the software into the market will release the software into the market, and that will reduce the chances of the software getting failed in operation, guys. Hope you got the answer now. Okay, why software testing is required means to prevent the software from failure when in use. That's a simple straightforward answer for this question. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.